Just got a brand new iPhone. Congratulations! But now comes the big question. How do you transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new one without losing photos, contacts, apps, and settings? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to transfer all your data step by step. By the end, your new iPhone will look and feel just like your old one, only better. Method 1. Quick Start Best for iPhone to iPhone. Apple makes switching iPhones simple with Quick Start. Here's how. Turn on your new iPhone and place it near your old one. A pop-up will appear on your old device asking if you want to set up the new phone. Use your old iPhone to scan the animation on the new one. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep the devices close together. This will transfer your Apple ID settings, Wi-Fi, and even apps. Make sure both phones stay connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into power for faster transfer. Method 2. iCloud Backup. If Quick Start isn't an option, you can use iCloud Backup. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, gives your name, gives iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now and wait for the backup to finish. On your new iPhone, during setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and select the most recent backup. This method works great if your old and new iPhones aren't physically together. Method 3. Transfer using a computer, Mac or PC. Prefer a wired method. You can transfer using iTunes or Finder on a Mac running Mac OS Catalina or later OpenFinder. On a Windows PC or older Mac, open iTunes. Connect your old iPhone with a cable. Choose Backup now to create a backup on your computer. Connect your new iPhone and select Restore Backup. This transfers everything, including app data and settings, directly. Method 4. Move data from Android to iPhone. If you're switching from Android, Apple provides a special tool. Download the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store. On your new iPhone, select Move data from Android during setup. Enter the code shown on the iPhone into the Android app. Select what data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, and calendars. This makes switching from Android surprisingly smooth. Pro tips for a smooth transfer. Make sure both devices are fully charged or plugged into power. Use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Update both devices to the latest iOS version before starting. Be patient. Depending on how much data you have, the process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. And that's it. Whether you use Quick Start, iCloud, a computer backup, or the Move to iOS app, transferring data to your new iPhone is simple and reliable. If this video helped you set up your new iPhone, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment sharing which method worked best for you. Enjoy your new iPhone now with all your memories, apps, and settings safely transferred.